I'm going to start by doing a slip knot, placing the yarn this way, insert here and pull, and this is my slip knot. Now chaining 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I'm going to do a double crochet in the first chain. So yarn over, hold it at the tip of my finger, insert in the first one. I have 3 loops, the first 2 and then the remaining 2. Now chaining 3, 1, 2 and 3, again a double crochet in the same first chain. And this is my first row. I'm going to turn and start by doing 3 chain. 1, 2 and 3. Now in this 3 chain, this space, I'm going to work 7 double crochet. Again, yarn over, insert inside, pull. I have 3 loop, the first 2, this is first 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, and this is 7 double crochet. And then yarn over. In the previous double crochet, I'm going to work 1 double crochet. Now what I have done in this side, I'm going to do in this side. I'm going to work 7 double crochet in this chain space, and in the third chain from here, I'm going to do 1 double. So finish the 7 double crochet and come again. I've worked my 7. I'm going to yarn over from my last one, which is here the 3 chain. So here we're going to be a double crochet in the third chain, working a double crochet. Now turn, 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3, and again 3 chain, 1, 2, 3. The first 3 chain represent 1 double crochet, and the 3 chain is for the space. I'm going to work a double crochet in the same one, so in the same stitch. So yarn over, pull, insert here and pull. I have 2 loop, the first 2 and the remaining 2. This is first chain 1. I'm going to skip 2 stitches. So this is 1, 2. I'm going to work here. See, 1, 2. In here, the third one, I'm going to do a double crochet. This is 1 again. I need the 3 in the next, another double, in the third, another double crochet. Chain 1 again. I'm going to skip 2, 1, 2. We come for the middle double crochet here. In the same stitch, I'm going to do the double crochet, then 3 chain, again 1 double crochet in the same spot, again 3 chain. If you find it confusing, just follow me along, count with me, and you're going to get it correctly. Again a double crochet. So in the same stitch, you're going to do 1 double, 3 chain, 1 double, 3 chain, 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Now what I have repeated here, I'm going to do in the opposite side. So chain 1, I'm going to skip 2 stitches, 1, 2. In the third, I'm going to work a double crochet. This is 1, and this is 2, and this is a 3. Again, chain 1. In the last one, which is the 3 chain, I'm going to do what? 1 double crochet, 3 chain, 1 double crochet. Again, turn. I'm going to start by doing 3 chain. Now In here, I'm going to work what in this space, 3 chain space, I'm going to work 7 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 double crochet. Now I'm going to chain 1, and then in the middle, 1, 2, 3. In the middle, I'm going to do 1 double crochet, and then chain 1. What am I having? I have 2 chain spaces. I'm going to work here 7 double crochet, and here in the middle double crochet I'm going to work double, and then again 7 double crochet. So finish them and come again. I have worked all my 7s. Here 7 double crochet in the middle one, again 7 double crochet. In this pattern, whatever we do in one side, we're going to repeat it in the other side. So now I have to do chain 1, and in the middle, 1, 2, 3, the middle double crochet from previous, I'm going to work what? A double crochet, and then chain what? 1. Chain 1, I have this chain space, I'm going to work what? 7 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And the last one, we're going to put to insert it in the 3rd chain. You're going to work a double crochet. Now turn again. Now I'm going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now in this next 2 rows, this one and the next, you're going to repeat it again and again. So it is repetition of these 2 rows. Now chain 6 again in the same stitch. I'm going to work 1 double crochet. Chain 1. I'm going to skip 2, 1, 2. In the 3rd, I'm going to work what? 3 double crochet. Again, chain 1. Now in the middle, this one, I'm going to insert, doing a double crochet, 3 chain, 1, 2, 3. Again, in the same spot, I'm going to work a double crochet, and then chain 1. I'm going to skip 2, 1, 2. In the 3rd, I'm going to work was a double and a double, 3 double crochet. Chain 1. I'm going to skip 2. What we've done in this row, the 3rd one, the middle double crochet from all the previous, I'm going to insert, doing a double crochet, 3 chain, and 1 double crochet in the same spot. Again, 3 chain, 1 double crochet in the same spot. Now what we have done on this side, you're going to repeat in this side. So what you're going to do, you're going to do skip 2, doing 3 double crochet, chain 1, skip 2, here a double, 3 chain, double, again skip 2, and so on. So continue doing the other side the same as we have worked here, and come again for the next row. Now that I have finished, we stopped here, so chain 1, and I worked 3 double crochet, chain 1, and this is spot we've got double, 3 chain, a double, and then again skipping 2 between them, chain 1 and 3 double crochet. In the last one, again in the same stitch, 1 double crochet, 3 chain, 1 double crochet, 10. Again, what am I going to do in this side? You're going to repeat in the other side. I'm going to start by working 3 chain, and then in here I'm going to work what? 7 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Chain 1. Now in this spot here, what am I going to work? I'm going to work 1 in the middle. I'm going to work only 1 double crochet. Again, chain 1. In here, I'm going to work what in this space? 7 double crochet. Finish the 7 and come for the next part. Now chain 1. I have done. Also, I have a 3, so 1 double and then chain 1. I have here in the middle. Do you remember this row? What we've worked? We work here. We have worked 7 double crochet and in the middle a double crochet and then a 7 double crochet. So finish 7 here double, here 1, here 7 double crochet. See, what we work on this side, we're going to work on this side. We work the middle one, which is 7, as I said, 7 double crochet, 1 double crochet in the middle, and again 7 double crochet. Let me put it here so that we can explain. Now here, 7 double crochet, between them chain. So what I'm going to do, you're going to work it. Let me pull here a double in the middle. So you're going to do a double in the middle and then chain 1, chain 1. Here in this chain space, 7 double crochet, here 7 double crochet. Again, chain 1, you have here the 3 double crochet in the middle. You're going to work a double crochet. And then chain 1 here, you're going to work 7 plus the last one, which is an 8, the 8th one, double crochet in the 3rd chain. As I said, you're going to repeat these last row. So you're going to repeat 7, 4th row and 5, 4th row and 5. If you finish, you're going to so finish these. So I'm going to show you what we're going to do again in the next row. See, I've worked how I'm going to turn now. Let's see if you remember. Now that I have these 8, what am I going to do again? If you remember here, we worked what? Here, this row, we work 6 chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 chain. And then here the double crochet was what? In the same stitch. And then chain 1. If you look here, what we have worked? 1, 2, 3. So we're going to skip 2 in the 3rd, a double crochet. And then it works what? 3 double crochet. And then chain 1 here in the middle. If you see in the middle, we've worked 1 double, 3 chain, 1 double. So again, this one 1 double, 3 chain, and 1 double crochet. Now if you're going to continue for the next row, what we've worked here, we worked here 7 double crochet, including the first one, so 8, and then chain 1 here in the middle, 1 double crochet you need to work, and here what? 7. So they are all the same. We're going to repeat again and again what we're going to do. And here in the middle, a row, you're going to work what? If you look, a row, you're going to repeat in the middle one. 1 double crochet, 3 chain, 1 double crochet, 3 chain. And in the next row, you're going to work here 7 double crochet, and then 1 here, and then 7 here, and so on. So it's a repetition of the last 2 rows. I hope you liked my video and it was helpful. And you work in a scarf that you love.